University of the Philippines, Los Baños, Dr. Lixon Hebania to moderate our discussions. And once again, we'd like to call on Mr. Christopher Bahuli back on stage, Dr. Severino Salmo, Ms. Joselle Pangilinan, and Ms. Rona Joy Loma for this fireside chat.
Let me begin with this question. Of course, what can be gleaned from presentations of the talks? It seems like at the national level, now all these goals, plans, and strategies are very much aligned. You see the biodiversity framework, the NDC, and even from PFAR, there's always like a flavor of promoting mangrove restoration and conservation, as well as from the civil society. So now the question is like, the question is, what should be done to fast track or to spur program on the ground? Because seemingly, looking at the map, we are still faced with a lot of areas needing restoration. And of course, very exciting that the last presentation on fish ponds. And one would always ask, okay, there are EUUFs, abandoned, utilized, and productive fish ponds, and a lot of interest to revert them back to market. And that interest, of course, coming from either development of blue carbon projects or simple restoration. So what do you think should be the strategy? So perhaps you can share what you're doing as far as, converging or harmonizing actions on the ground. I thought that's an easy question, but agree ba kayo? How can we fast track? Because, one would always say that we are racing against time.
Ayaw ko siya sa sagot. Sisimplihan ko yung sagot. Komplikado yung tanong, simple lang. Yung presence ng mangrove, it delivers ecosystem services that is provided to practically everyone. Ngayon, pag na-privatize, di ba, fish pond, siyempre nagiging privately owned. The loss of mangroves is a loss of ecosystem services. Tanong mo, how to fast track? Simple lang. My statement in my presentation, there's no other way to simply just revert those abandoned ponds to mangroves. Pag na-delay siya at hindi siya nagawa, nagiging vulnerable communities at disasters. And that's a reduced ecosystem services. For me, simple yung solusyon. Huwag mo nang paguluhin ng policy conflicts, etc. You just have to do it now. Otherwise, there will be a lot of consequences sa survival and growth ng human society and biodiversity and blue carbon. Sorry, I made it a simple answer.
Sige, so for me, yung critical really is the establishing yung tenure ng ating mga land. So, nagiging barrier siya or bottleneck kasi hindi natin alam kung saan yung tenure ng ating land. And it is also compounded by a lot of factors, yung with law enforcement. So, very important for me is to determine really yung tenure muna.
Ako naman, magpapay ako ng ibang kaso. Bali, important yun i-assess kung ano yung pwedeng i-revert. But I think capacity building is very important as well. Both capacity building and awareness raising. So you really need to raise awareness and increase the capacities of our local government and communities to be able to really make, if I may say, make the government accountable that these types of initiative, mangrove restoration and conservation should happen. And it should happen immediately because there's climate change. We need to deliver action immediately. So I think for me it's very important to really raise awareness, understanding, and capacities of people.
I'm sorry. The answer should be response. I think kaya po binanggit ko kanina yung mandate po ng division namin. So nag-i-issue kami ng license list agreements for FLA. I'm not in contradictory po yung sa mangrove rehabilitation, but binanggit ko po kanina yung alignment with the mangrove conservation. In fact po, the rule provides that you cannot cut mangroves inside the BISPAN. In case of optimization or you fully utilize the areas for BISPAN development, you must have to get a permit from DNR as the regulatory body for that. So, and for the, I think I'm not talking po on behalf of people because magigla po ako, may community na ganito. So, nasabi ko po kanina, there are 111,000 more or less released by DNR for BISPAN development, public land release.